Good day. This is our final project repository, and I have to answer 5 questions. The first question is, what are the topics that I enjoyed the most? The topics that I enjoyed the most is one is the digital age, where we discuss the history of digital revolution in the 19th century, where the steam engines, electricity, and photography starts. Also, we have discussed there the history of digital revolution and also the important happenings during the digital age, such as the invention of Tim Berners-Lee, the World Wide Web, and the invention of Bill Gates, which is the Microsoft. The next topic that I enjoyed is the digital divide, which is referred to the gap between individuals or communities who have access to modern information and communication technology, and those who do not. This divide encompasses various aspects, including access to internet, availability of digital device, and access for the information we needed. This digital divide can exist on local, regional, national, or global levels, and it often reflects disparities in socioeconomic status and infrastructure. The next question is the current technological setup now can suffice human needs, and why? Well, the current technological setup has made significant strides in meeting many human needs, but whether it suffices for everyone, it depends on various factors such as communication or access in information. Even the even the current technological setup has greatly improved various aspects of human life. There is still a challenges such as digital divide or privacy concern and environmental sustainability need to be addressed. On the ongoing technological advancements may introduce new solutions and possibilities, but their impact on society will depend on how they are implemented and integrated into existing systems. It's essential to continue working towards inclusive and ethical technological development to ensure that technology truly suffices for the diverse needs of the global population. Next question is, do you believe that information technology helps in the betterment of the education system? Yes, I believe that the information technology helps in the betterment of the education, because in access to information, we can use now the Google Chrome or any browser to search for the informations that we are looking. And next is the online learning platforms like this, the Canvas that we are using, and the big blue button that we are using to attend the class and to continue the learnings. Next is the global connectivity. We have smartphones that we use to have a communication to our loved ones, even it is far from us. Next question, IT integrated discussion or instructor-led discussion? For me, I prefer the instructor-led discussion because our professor can provide immediate feedback and guidance. And for the real-time interaction, it allows me for the clarification of concepts or addressing misconceptions on the lessons that we have discussed. and also in classroom dynamics. In when face-to-face discussion, it contributes to development of classroom community, and also the interaction that we do foster a sense of connection and community among us, which can positively impact the learning experience. The last question is, what are my key takeaways from this course? In this subject, I learned that the rapid technological advancements and the increasing connectivity and globalization, and also the challenges and opportunities that uh, we can face in this era. Navigating the challenges and opportunities of the IT era can equip me with skills and perspective that are highly relevant in the modern workplace. Whether I pursue a career in technology specific role or work in a field where technology is an enabler.